Hello everyone, and today I'm going to introduce to you a very common bike from the brand Polygon. Right now I've placed the bike upside down. To remove this, we actually do not need any tools. So release here, and on this side you'll notice that, well, the shaft is out. So as you can see, this is a very cleverly designed axle from that comes with every Polygon Bikes. As far as I know of, I own several of them, and this is one really good axle. I'm very sure that some of you guys are very troubled with trying to figure out how to release this quick release. So this is also a very quick, simple demo on how you can release this quick release from your Polygon Bikes. So I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you guys like this video and share. Thank you. And see you guys again. Bye.